12 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm in good hands.
Oh, you're in shaky hands.
Oh my goodness. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat. I'm on my way to the skydiving. Sugar, sugar.
Yes, kids. Hey, hey, it's about time.
Oh my goodness.
So, guys, this is Vanderbom Airport. Yeah, yeah. How do you feel, kids?
I'm excited. I'm really excited, yes. How are you feeling?
I don't know it. I don't know. Don't wanna lie.
Did you finish your apple? It looks like it was giving you
Guys, look. Nothing comes in. Like zero. This is it.
We are back. We are back. Okay, say what going. Hello.
You guys?
Booking. Yeah, skydiving. Yes. Where do I park? Oh, okay. Can you please explain to us what happened?
Guys. This was almost a bad day for me. I forgot my ID and they couldn't let me go inside, so
Yo, we had to pay Jojo.
we had to pay Jojo.
We had
Yeah.
to pay Jojo.
It's called drink money, eh?
This is a paper, right?
You're going skydiving, guys. It's really happening. Yeah.
Real fly up.
Rofufa.
We're 7 minutes late.
Yeah, 7 minutes late. We are right on time, but we were late. Imagine you have to wait for Khatazamb up until 4 o'clock. That's a good thing.
It would have been so hard for you, mate. Imagine you paying so much money for you to go wait at the gate until 4.
But you couldn't understand that 2.950.
Hey, wait.
It's not about the money.
It's about the experience,
Yeah.
ne?
Imagine, I've been paying for this day. And they told me that I need to wait at the gate
Until what time?
until 4 o'clock. 4. Seeing Khatazamb up there.
Oh no.
I was gonna die.
Sugar's so scared of eating, you guys. He's so nervous. It's not even funny. This is what I'm wearing, by the way. I was driving with my sandals and I'm wearing just the my gym tights and just a regular t-shirt because I'm not sure how hot it is up there or how cold it is
Here
up
we
there.
go.
We just arrived.
Here we go.
It's actually such a nice place, eh?
Guys, look what happened. Oh, it's blueberries. I thought it was something else. I thought maybe it was. What is it? Okay.
These birds are eating blueberries. Okay, we finally here. It's looking nice. This place is really, really nice, eh? So we've arrived. Yeah. I guess now we're just waiting to register and do all the fun stuff. It's 10 to 9 now, and then we're going to be doing our jump at, what time is it?
10 to 10.
10 to 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an hour.
That's an hour. We're waiting here for an hour, you guys. You know how long that is? Thank you.
Sorry, just organizing here. Who's crazy today?
He is the one that's crazy. He's the one that brought me here today.
What's the special occasion? Birthday?
No, actually, I was graduating on Thursday.
Oh wow! Congratulations!
Look at you.
So this is one of the things I've been planning to do all my life.
Bucket list.
Checklist. Skydiving. Done. After a year,
How are you feeling now, bud?
I'm excited.
Is it?
So excited. Like tops.
Yeah, I'm not that nervous. I'm not that nervous anymore.
I just want to get this done.
Yeah, me
It's
too.
you.
No, actually, I just want to wait and like embrace the moment. I'm not in a rush. Imagine by the time you come down, you're like, was that it?
Is it?
Yeah.
Then we go.
I'm excited. Like, we're going to be waiting for an hour now, so I'm just going to embrace waiting. I'm no longer nervous. Is it? I can swap for you.
Please do.
Okay, you can take a shot. I'll be a blesser today. How's that?
I'll
How's,
bless you.
how's that for a living? I'll bless you with a shot.
Small?
Yeah, it's you.
You need to get your fresh one, eh?
Okay.
Okay, cool. Look,
Yeah, Guys, she paid for it.
Let's
But I
see.
was going to refund it. So,
Okay, let's just move it to the side.
okay.
Hashtag bring back the money. Hashtag.
Bring back the money. I'll bring it, guys.
Okay, okay.
That's a good right.
I'm so excited. Oh wow, someone already jumped. Someone waka wa jump. Why funny chew? Why funny chew?
I just don't understand.
You guys, look at the blueberries. Like it fell on me. Let me just take selfies for now because I'm just chilling. I'm not nervous. I'm feeling great. Actually, I'm feeling excited. I just saw somebody fall off their parachute. No, not like fall off, but like it just landed. And it looks so cool, you guys. It looked so cool. The sun is a lot. Okay, that's
If
good
it was,
to know.
then I'm totally in the wrong job. Okay,
Yes.
so have you guys been briefed on what's going to happen?
No, we haven't.
Not?
Yes.
Okay. So, the guy you're going to jump with, his exit's a little bit different, but once we're outside, everything is the same. He'll take you through your exit. Okay, you're going to be half standing in the door. We're going to be sitting flat.
Okay.
So, at about 8,000 feet, we're going to ask you to sit on top of our legs. That's when we're going to hook you on, make sure everything's nice and tight, ready to go.
Okay.
Okay. As I said, Constant, his exit's a little bit different, so he'll take you through that.
Okay.
But all we want you to do when we're in the door, have your arms in the front over here,
Okay.
head back on our shoulders, and once we're outside, I want you to push your hips as far forward as you can get it. So you can see how I make my back
Yes.
hollow like that.
Yes.
So when we fall flat on our stomachs, once we're outside, I want your hips to be the lowest part of your body.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Once we're outside, I'm going to tap you on your hands. Just let it fall.
Okay.
You guys take the camera option.
Yes, we do.
Okay, so the cameraman's going to come, he's going to float right in front of us. When you see him, nice big thumbs up, like he says.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, does he take like photos and a video, or is it just videos?
Like video and photos.
Okay, that's lovely. All right. Do we get the pictures today at least? Because I know like the footage might take a while.
Constant, wanneer kry jy foto's so goed? Oh, it doesn't even.
Okay, cool.
It'll be, I think they mail them to you or something. I don't know exactly. the
So how long
process.
have you been doing this?
12 years.
Wow. Okay, so I'm in good hands.
No, you're in shaky hands.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, at 5,000 feet, we're going to open up the parachute, fly around a bit.
5,000.
Yeah, 5,000
Okay.
feet. When we come into
what?
land, it's very important that you let us do the landing. So you get your knees up and legs straight. Let your butt touch the ground first.
Okay.
Okay, and we're going to slide on the ground.
Okay. The little bum I have left, but anyway.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
That's great. What's your name?
Cornay.
Courtney. It's nice to meet you.
Cool.
Are you gonna be my guy?
I'm going to be your guy.
Okay, cool.
How you doing?
When you arrive at the door, put the feet outside.
Sorry?
When you arrive at the door, put
Yeah.
the feet outside.
Or how, like this? Or just the two of them?
Alright, I need to start getting up, please, sir.
Okay, Khatazamb, cut.
Bigger bear. There he is, getting ready. Okay, we all strapped up now. How are you feeling?
I'm excited.
I'm excited. I'm ready.
Just wanna do this and get done.
Yeah, no, actually, I still want to wait. Like, I'm still on the waiting part. Like, don't be in a rush. I'm really embracing this moment. Yeah, so basically what they said is when we get out, we just put our feet underneath the aircraft, and then the guys are just going to push us, and then they'll tap our hands when we need to fly. Fly like a bird. Yes, basically that's what happens. Oh, are you going to take us a video?
Yeah.
Oh, this is my camera.
Oh.
Quentin, you can stand together if you want.
Oh no, it's fine. Like, I don't want to be in your stuff. Like, I want to be in your stuff. Hey, these are our camera guys. Hey, camera guy.
Good morning, Khatazamb.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very good, and you?
I'm great, thank you.
Welcome to Skydiving Pretoria.
Thank you.
So, how do you feel about falling out of a plane?
I feel excited. I'm ready, guys. I'm ready.
This is the first time?
Yes, it's my first time.
Oh, you're gonna love it.
Thank you so much.
Are you nervous or anything?
I'm nervously excited, but yeah, I can't back down now.
No, there's no way out now. We're gonna go up and have a lot of fun. Yeah, big high five.
High five.
High five.
never broken anyone, but the waves kept the secret so deep we could sail away. Feel the haze. No, we're never gonna get another chance, and it's okay, but I give it all to have another dance. If you still believe it could be just you and me, with the waves we could set it play.
Hi guys, I'm back and it was so amazing. Oh my goodness, you guys, like, birds are so privileged to have such a beautiful sight. It's so beautiful up there, and I had a blast. I'm just dizzy. I just need some cola. I need some chocolate. I thought we could choose who's going first, because man, I hit your hand and then I'm like, Sugar, go first. Those guys are like they're doing their own stuff. And like, we were 5 feet. I was like, okay, this is actually not that bad. And then I think by the time we got to like 9 feet, they started preparing us and stuff, and then I was like, okay, this is actually starting to be serious. And then like after that, it's like they did a, what is that, rock paper scissors to see who's going first. You guys, they were playing rock paper scissors with our lives. And then it was really, really nice. I was the first one to go, and
because you guys lost.
yeah, because we lost, my guy. But then like the reality didn't kick in. For me, the reality didn't kick in. I just told myself that like, I haven't skydived yet, I'm still going to skydive. And then my guy kept pushing me, like, and I just told myself like, I'm just going to move. By the time I got to the door, ne, we didn't even do 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
We just went. We just went. Sure. But it was really, really nice. Like when you jump, you feel like you have butterflies, and then the butterflies just disappear, and you just feel like you're floating, and it's amazing. How was your jump?
It was awesome.
How are you feeling now?
I'm dizzy. I don't know what I'm feeling actually. You know?
When you went down, did you open your eyes?
Yeah, I did.
I opened my eyes, but I got to the, I also got to some part where I closed my eyes, because it was just, it was a lot. It was like, it wasn't necessary. Yeah, like when I was flying, I opened my eyes. Like, it was so beautiful. Dunked wings, anybody? Oh, this is amazing. Honey bread. It was so amazing. Like, I'm still tired, I'm still drained, but it was amazing. I will definitely skydive again. Definitely. After why you been after why you been
Khatazamb. Oh, wow. Maga ID.
Oh,